Hello everyone, welcome to Business Education and Research. This video presents the concept of opportunity cost and explain how to find out the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is a fundamental concept in economics and decision making, and it represents the cost of foregoing the next best alternative when making a choice. In other words, when you choose one option, the opportunity cost is what you sacrifice by not choosing the next best alternative. This concept is crucial in understanding the true cost of decisions as it encompasses not just the explicit cost but also the implicit benefits that are lost by not choosing a different option. Now let us see the steps to find out opportunity cost. The first step to find out opportunity cost is identification of all alternatives. Identification of alternatives involve analyzing listing options, comprehensive assessment, dynamic decision making, and to evaluate opportunity cost thoroughly. Let us see one by one. So, listing option. The first step involves listing all potential alternatives available in a decision making scenario. This includes the option being considered and every other feasible choices that could be made instead. The second issue to be analyzed is comprehensive assessment. To evaluate opportunity cost thoroughly, it is crucial to consider every possible option, even those that might initially seem less appealing. The next important issue is analyzing dynamic decision making. The process of identifying alternatives is dynamic and should be revisited if new information or options become available. And finally, we have to evaluate the opportunity cost thoroughly. Evaluating the benefits of each alternative is an important step in finding out the opportunity cost. Evaluation of the benefits of each alternative involves quantifying the returns, comparative analysis, subjectivity, and assumptions. So let us see one by one. Quantifying returns. These steps involves assessing each alternative's potential benefits or returns. These returns could be financial such as profits or savings or non-financial like satisfaction or utility. The next one is comparative analysis. Each alternative's benefits must be compared against each other. This comparison often recurs considering various factors including risk, time frame, and personal or organizational goals. Subjectivity assumptions. The evaluations can be subjective and might require making assumptions especially about future outcomes which can be uncertain. Selecting the best alternative is an important step in finding out the opportunity cost. The selection of best alternative involves highest value alternative, excluding the current choices, and dynamic and revisable process. Let us see one by one. The highest value alternative. This involves identifying which alternative offers the highest value or benefits apart from one currently being considered. The second one is excluding the current choice. The focus here is on the best foregone option, not the one currently being chosen or favored. The next one is dynamic and revisable process. The selection of the best alternative can change over time as new information comes to light or circumstances evolve. Calculating the opportunity cost involves analyzing value of the best foregone alternative, analyzing monetary and non-monetary factors, and analyzing subjectivity and estimation. Let us see one by one. Value of the best foregone alternative. Opportunity cost is essentially the benefit or value you would have received by taking the next best alternative. Monetary and non-monetary factors analysis. Opportunity cost calculations includes both monetary aspects like profit or cost savings and non-monetary aspects such as time, convenience, or personal satisfaction. Subjectivity and estimation. The calculations can be subjective and may involve estimating future outcomes, adding uncertainty. Considering non-monetary factors is an important step to find out opportunity cost. The qualitative aspects. Non-monetary factors can include time, personal satisfaction, convenience, or even ethical consideration. Then personal or organizational values. These factors often reflect the personal values or strategic objectives of an organization, influencing the decision making. Non-monetary factors can significantly influence the decision-making process, sometimes even outweighing the monetary considerations. Making use of opportunity cost analysis for decision-making is an important step. Informed choices. Understanding opportunity cost aids in making more informed decisions by highlighting the potential benefit being sacrificed. Balancing short-term and long-term implications. It is essential to consider both the immediate and long-term effects of a decision considering its opportunity cost. Revising decisions. As circumstances changes, it may be necessary to reassess past decisions and their associated opportunity cost to adjust. There are various advantages of opportunity cost analysis. Informed decision making. Opportunity cost analysis helps individuals and businesses to understand the potential benefits they forego when selecting one alternative over another. This promotes more informed and rational decision making. The next advantage is that resource optimization. By evaluating the opportunity cost, entities can allocate their limited resources, time, money, and labor more efficiently to maximize potential returns. Better strategic planning. Understanding opportunity cost aids in strategic planning by highlighting the potential impact of different choices. This is especially important in business and investment decisions. Improving cost efficiency, risk assessment, and comparative analysis are the advantages of opportunity cost analysis. Let us see one by one. Improving cost efficiency. Opportunity cost analysis can identify less obvious expenses associated with the different choices, allowing for a more comprehensive understanding of the true cost of decisions. Risk assessment. It provides a framework for assessing the risk associated with various options, determining what is sacrificed when a particular plan is chosen. Comparative analysis. Opportunity cost allows for comparing the relative worth of different actions. This can be crucial in sectors like finance, where investment options are weighed against each other. The advantages of opportunity cost analysis is continued in this slide. Enhanced transparency in economic understanding. It offers a more transparent view of the economic implications of decisions at micro, individual or business, and macro, governmental or societal level. Prioritization of goals and projects. In project management and personal goal setting, understanding opportunity cost helps to prioritize projects or goals based on their relative benefits. Promoting a long-term view. Opportunity cost encourages looking beyond immediate gains to consider the long-term benefits and cost of different choices, which is essential for sustainable growth and development. Now let us see an example of opportunity cost calculation. Mr. Rajesh has 100,000 to invest and is considering two investment options. Option A fixed deposit offering an annual interest rate of 6%. Option B, a mutual fund investment expected to yield an annual return of 8%. Rajesh decided to go with option A, that is the fixed deposit. Calculate the opportunity cost of this decision. Step 1. Let us calculate the returns for each option, option A and option B. Option A, that is fixed deposits. So if 100,000 is invested, 6% is the return, so 6,000 per year. That is the return, expected return. Option B return, that is mutual fund investment. So 100,000 if it is invested in mutual fund at 8% return, so the return annual return is 8,000. So in this case, Mr. Rajesh has invested in fixed deposit schemes. So his return is 8,000. So the foregone opportunity is 8,000. Let us see. Step 2. Determine the foregone benefit. Foregone benefit is equal to return from mutual fund because he did not invest in mutual fund. So that is 8,000 is the return from mutual fund. So 8,000 minus this fixed deposit, return from fixed deposit 6,000. So 8,000 minus 6,000, 2,000. So 2000 is the foregone benefit because he invested in fixed deposit scheme and got only 6000, whereas he lost the opportunity of investing in mutual fund and that offered a return of 8000. So therefore the foregone benefits equal to return from mutual fund minus return from fixed deposit. 8000 minus 6000, you get 2000. Step 3. Opportunity cost calculation. The difference in returns between the two options is the opportunity cost of choosing the fixed deposits over the mutual fund. Opportunity cost is equal to 2000, that is 8000 minus 6000, 2000. Therefore, the opportunity cost of Rajesh's decision to invest in the fixed deposit instead of the mutual fund is 2000. This is the amount of potentially losses by not investing in the option with the highest return. The opportunity cost is a multifaceted concept that plays a crucial role in both personal and business decision making. It involves careful consideration of the alternatives, benefits, and potential trades-off between different choices. The process is dynamic and can be influenced by both quantitative and qualitative factors. In essence, the opportunity cost analysis is a powerful tool for making more strategic, efficient, and effective decisions by fully understanding the trades-off involved in any choice.